Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your USB devices not recognized. Either it could be a keyboard, mouse or anything that you are inserting on your key on your system is not recognized. Now in order to fix that, just simply right click on your start menu, then click on device manager. Inside the device manager, scroll down till the last where you'll see this option that says universal serial bus controller, right? Expand this section and here you'll find multiple systems, multiple other USB connection ports in your device. Right click on every port and hit on this option of update driver for each of them. You can see there are two root hubs, then two USB hubs, then two composition device hubs. Right click over every one of them and hit on this option of update driver. You can either browse from the system and or here you can see you can browse it from here, or you can simply automatically update for the driver. Then simply restart your system and you'll notice that any problem that you're facing previously will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.